CB Homes was approached by a couple who needed help in building a large family home. They had already bought a farmhouse on a big plot of land and had actually started building an extension. Unfortunately, the original builders were unable to complete the project. Our team visited the property to see what could be done to salvage the project. It soon became clear that the original house needed extensive and urgent maintenance work. Even if the proposed extension was completed, the house would still not provide the dream home that the clients really wanted. We recommended that they reapply for planning permission, not for an extension, but for a replacement dwelling self-build home. In other words, demolish what was on site and build their own completely new, bespoke house to the specific design they wanted. In this way, we could design and build exactly the home our clients dreamed of, and they would have complete peace of mind over the quality and craftsmanship that would go into every step. Happily, we were successful in our planning application to build our clients a magnificent 6-bedroom house inspired by the design of a rural French chateau. We will be covering the progress of this enormous build in a series of videos over the next few months.